Collaboration and performance are the focus of G Suite. Imagine that Laura, a member of the marketing team, is responsible for the social media angle of a new marketing campaign. Laura needs to run a progress meeting, so after looking at her team's schedule, she sends Jeff, Susan, and Bob calendar invites. Since Bob is joining out of state, she throws in a conferencing link as well. While Laura presents her exciting new ideas, any other members of the team can edit her documents live, fixing errors she may have missed. Nobody's worried about being on the most current version of the file because there is only one version and it's safely stored in the cloud. Even Bob, who's seeing this presentation through Google Meet, can write in new ideas with ease. At the end of the meeting, notes can be compiled and emailed out within several seconds with no time wasted. They've got no stress from the threat of losing a flash drive or accidentally losing data due to spilt coffee. In fact, every computer in their department or even company can fall on a bunch of rocks and their documents would still be fine. Laura's bosses don't need to worry about keeping the network secure because Google does it for them. All they need to do to stay safe is to manage access and sharing rights. Everything else is handled by one of the most innovative and secure companies on Earth. This nimble approach to collaboration, productivity, and storage comes at no additional cost to the stakeholders. In fact, if your company is on G Suite, the savings will make your budget really happy. You no longer need to buy and maintain servers while also hiring a battalion of support staff to handle updates and internal tech support. Also, you eliminate the cost of unused software licenses, which, from our experience, can cost companies millions of dollars every year. With G Suite, you pay only for what you use. No more wasting internal resources, no more extensive licensing costs, and no more unnecessary operational and capital expenditures. If you'd like to learn some more about this, please call or email us for details.